start smoking.
Right now is the Red Max standoff. The CV48 and the CV54. It's been around for about 4 years now, but it's got some new improvements this year. But one of the best features that's always been part of this machine has been the fact that it's got the shortest footprint front to back of any stand-on mower in its class for a 48 or 54. It's got the hydro pumps built up front so they stay cool and clean. This way they're not below the engine behind the machine getting dirty. And when you have dirty pumps or heat-driven pumps, the worst thing for a hydro system is overheating. We got the engine over the axle turned sideways, so it gives you, it's a Kawasaki, 24.5 horse. And it's got turned sideways, so you get the nice compact design. It's got 2 5-gallon fuel tanks. You got 10 gallons of fuel. It's got a 5-year, 1,500-hour warranty. It's got operator presence control, speed control, and one lever hydro release if you stole and you need to freewheel it for service, which is that's it. Boom.
Right now I got boards. I got to get all the way up under there.
That's right. You want to release the hydros? You just pull on that one switch. Come on back here. You got an operator platform that'll handle 350 pounds, spring loaded, and it's very comfortable. Really nice wide stance for when you're using it. Then, if you have to, you get in a situation where you're uncomfortable using it, you can easily just flip it up and use it as a walk behind, so you don't get stuck in a situation. Then, when you need to have access to it for service, this just flips right down. You got your oil dipstick, you got your oil drain plug, you got your oil filter right here. Easy access. You got your maintenance-free gel cell battery, easy to replace with this little thumb knob right here. Everything's up top. You've got electronic LED lit fuel tank, you got your arrow meter, you got your choke control, you got your throttle, you got your PTO. Operator presence on both handles. Why both handles? Well, here's your throttle. You need to adjust your throttle. You're not stalling your machine or taking it out of control, and you can keep going. Over here, you got your brake control. Really nice high leverage on your deck lift, and there's no button to release it. All you gotta do is slap the puck and the deck drops down. You got
one more time here for me.
You got your easy access leverage. Slap that puck. Who doesn't know how to slap? Slap the puck and down the deck goes. Brake release, speed control. This is a nice feature. This is actually added this year. So this is going into its 4th year of operation, but this is new. So this speed control, you just loosen these dials up right here, and you can change your speed control from 10 miles an hour down to 5 miles an hour, so you're not going too fast, or you can operate it and cut it the speed that you want to. And this is fully adjustable. You guys have parts in the photo?
Oh, my God.
We don't have all the images.
That's right. Just trying to have on the more. My head
Michelle Broswell.
Go ahead. He's going to tape you. Go ahead. Go ahead.
It's the best backpack glue in the world.
In the world, absolutely. Most powerful.
They're warm-blooded. I don't start.
8560. You got no line 8550. That's
85.
That's the big boy right here. Oh, well,
You guys just keep going
That's
up.
the big boy. I'm tripping.
We started with like a 4,000, 6,000, 6,500, and 7,500, and 8,000, and 8,550, now 8,560, and there's working on another one. I'll call it a 95.
I never even full throttle my blows unless I'm doing some leaves, but other than that, I can
You blow the hustle.
Man, that thing blows.
They got power.
Hit the bell, man. Get the videos, hit the thumbs up to get them out. Today we're gonna do a Red Max review, and I ain't sponsored by Red Max, but that's what I'm rocking with. And one thing about Red Max, man, they got more power than the Steel and the Echo. I know it's gonna hurt a lot of people's feelings, but their engines got a lot more power than the Steel and the Echo, man. Yeah, so that's just how I'm rocking. I need the power. I like get the job done quick. Never had a problem with them. Never had a problem with it, man, at all. As you can see right here, this is to BCZ26TS. This one right here is the EXZ26OSPH. We got this one last year. I started off with a Husqvarna 525. And man, I know y'all heard the story. Go check the video out. You know, you heard the story before about the Husqvarna jumping off the back of my trailer. And I lost that thing. So I had already bought a Red Max last year. And man, I just been rocking with them ever since, man. That thing ain't never failed me. It's real powerful. And this year I went and got this one, like I say, and this one comes with the attachments. So you can switch it up, be versatile with it. Another thing with the Red Max, man, it's dependable to me, man. I also got the blower right here. They dependable. Bigger engine, man. The gas doesn't gas lasts me pretty long. Right now I got both of these things pretty low. Gas pretty low on both of them. See if I can get you a little cold start on both of them. See what they talking about. Man, just a little Red Max, man. See, we got a little bit of the Red Max. That cable twist right there, 0.95, knocking out the job. That probably lasts me, I don't know, I picked up a lot more work this year, so I'm hoping to run through one of those. Last year, it lasted me to the end of the season, I had to buy one. So this year, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna run through, yeah, I'll run through another one. Guys, I know y'all want to hear this too. This is the big boy right here. This is the 8550, man. Red Max blower. Guys, check out the blower. Take a look at these. Keep your eye on them. You know what I'm saying? They nice, fellas. Keep your eye on them. Get this boy started. See what he talk about. Oh, I forgot. Red Max, you gotta pull it down. I ain't sponsored by Red Max or nothing, man. That's just what I'm rocking with. Y'all heard the engines? Yeah. Knocking out leak jobs with this one blower right here. I'm solo, I've been solo. And like I said, I got a little guys I pick up here and there, but this right here, I did last fall, spring, probably did 5 cleanups with that. And I'll try to find some of the footage. I don't know where my footage is at. I'll try to find some of it. But I did about 5 cleanups, and I ain't even talking about no little yards. It's some nice size yards. One of them, if you go check out my video, got me with the little Superman suit on. Those are one of the yards that I cleaned with that. If you go check out that video, you'll see how that yard looks. And I cleaned up that yard with this right here. So, yeah, Red Max, man, that's what I'm rocking with. I hope they go electric. If they go electric, I'm gonna try them out. And I've been watching Blaze Blaze of Steel. No, Blaze of Grass, Log Her. I think that's his name. I'm sorry, man, for messing up your name right now. I'm looking at these Red Maxes. They got me just amazed too. Another thing is just my lawn company, you know, growing over the years. Everything started as a dream. But Blaze of Lawn, I believe that's him. Go check him out. He got that electric Husqvarna. I want to try one of them. I might end up trying out one of them by the end of the year. And I'm hoping Red Max, man, go all electric. I'm gonna try Red Max electric too. So, man, y'all see him, man. Y'all see the Darwins on there. Do the Darwins on there. Check out that video, man. Yeah. So we out of here, man. It's just a little review of the Red Max, man. I love it. The engines are bigger than the Echoes of the Steels. The gas in these things lasts me a while. Like, they last a while. I keep a couple cans gas mixed, but man, these things, they last a while. I don't run through gas a lot with these trimmers, man. And with the blower, I run through gas a lot. Like I said, I got some pretty nice properties too, so you guys go check them out, man. It's still out here, kind of rainy in Kentucky, kind of wet. I'm gonna get out tomorrow. We got all sunny skies coming up, so yeah, I'm gonna get out tomorrow. Got a couple spray jobs I gotta do. Gotta spray some weeds and knock some weeds out and get caught up, man. Behind a little bit from all the weather, but we're gonna get it caught up. We're gonna knock it out, man. So it's Red Max, man. It's a stop button right here. Pull, you ain't gotta pull no trigger, no when you start. Usually I'll start it one more time, I'll just show you. No pull trigger, nothing. Red Max, man. Like I say, they don't promote me. They should. I mean, they don't sponsor me, but they should. I'm promoting them like I should. They get my job done. So, holla at you later, man. Boneyard Line Service.
Start smoking.